Problem: a wire of length 3 meter extends by 3 millimeter when a force of 2 Newton is applied to it. Calculate stress produced in it if Young's modulus Y is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square and the area of wire. Analysis. Before taking the steps to solve the problem, let us analyze it. This problem is related to the topic of elasticity. The problem deals with extension of wire and the force applied to it. The Hooke's law relates to the stress and strain, which subsequently involves force and extension. Therefore, we will use Hooke's law to solve this problem. Hooke's law states that Y is equal to stress upon strain. The four values given in the problem are the length of the wire capital L equal to 3 meter, the extension of the wire small l equal to 3 millimeter, the force applied to the wire F equal to 2 Newton, and the Young's modulus for steel is equal to Y is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square. The equation of Young's modulus involves 5 variables. Hence, substituting the values given in the problem into the equation, we can get the required answer. Solution. Now let us take the necessary steps to solve the problem. First, we write the equation for Young's modulus. Y is equal to stress upon strain, and by substituting the values of stress and strain, we get Y equal to F upon capital A, the whole divided by a small l upon capital L. Rewriting this equation, we get stress equal to Y into strain, and that is equal to Y into small l upon capital L. Substituting the values of Y, L and small l, we get a stress equal to 2 into 10 raised to 11 total multiplied by 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 3. Hence, the stress is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 8 Newton per meter square. Now, let us calculate the cross-sectional area of the wire. Stress is equal to force upon area, and therefore area is equal to force upon stress, and that is equal to 2 upon 2 into 10 raised to 8. Substituting the values of force and stress in this equation, we get area equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 8 meters square. Thus, we have solved the problem and obtained the required values of stress and area